Because if you leave the scene of the accident, it can cause a lot more damage than if you stay and follow the rules. So what if the car that hit you flees the scene of the accident? What do you do then? The most important thing is, don't panic. We can help. And how can we help? We can, in some cases, there are video cameras in this day and age everywhere. Surveillance cameras at certain intersections or certain businesses have cameras. What we can do and what we have done is go and get those cameras, and sometimes we can even get the license plate of the car that fled the scene. The police find cars through these surveillance cameras. So it's very important to not panic and call an attorney who can help. And this must be done immediately after the accident, because most cameras that capture these scenes get deleted. So we have to go and get those cameras and get those surveillance footage as soon as possible. And if you're a younger driver who just recently got your driver's license and caused an accident, even if it's a small scratch, do yourself and your parents a big favor and don't leave the scene of the accident. So as a mom, my own son came to me and said, "Mom, this was just after he was driving. I think he had his license for maybe a couple of months, and he was going to school and he barely scratched. He rear-ended somebody, but it was barely a scratch. And he was really scared. He came to me, he did the right thing. He exchanged information with the other person whose car he scratched. And thank God that person was also a mom. So she realized that he was very upset and he was very nervous. We were able to get their car fixed. We did report it to the insurance company because you just have to do that. But because it was just a small scratch and she didn't suffer any injuries, meaning the other car, it didn't impact the insurance as much. But again, as a mom, you can either get really upset and scare your kids from driving, or you can use it as a teaching moment. As I tell my kids, every opportunity is a learning opportunity. So maybe hopefully the next time they will be more careful. And my son was, so he really learned it from that moment. And it's their first time driving, it's bound to happen. And that's what insurance is for.